Hey there guys, this is my second set of functions questions for higher GCSE maths. If you want the first set or more detailed explanations on functions, check out the two playlists linked down below in the description. For now though, we're doing these questions. Let's go. Hey there guys, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here and you're trying to get the best grade in maths you possibly can, let me help. Start now by subscribing. Okay then, first up, f of x is 2x over 5 minus 1. Work out the value of f inverse of 3 at f of minus 0.5. So we can work out f of minus 0.5. So that's going to give us 2 times minus 0.5 over 5. So that's minus 1 over 5. Minus 1. Now that is minus 1.2. So remember that. Now we need to work out inverse f. So just call f of x f. So we have f is 2x over 5 minus 1. Now we make x the subject. So we're going to add 1. So f add 1 is 2x over 5 multiplied through by 5, 5f add 5 is equal to 2x. Divide through by 2. We get 5x add 5, 5f add 5 all over 2 is equal to x. And now the final step is that x and f swap places and f is now inverse f. So inverse f is 5x add 5 all over 2. Now that now allows us to work out f inverse of 3. So 5 times 5 is 15, add 5 is 20, divided by 2 is 10. So, now our final answer is 10 minus 1.2, which is 8.8. Okay, next up, g of x is 16 minus x. H of x is x cubed. Solve g h of x is equal to 24. So, first up, we're going to need to find g h of x. So, g h of x means g of h of x. So, any x in g of x becomes x cubed. So, we're going to get 16 minus x cubed. So, now that we know g h of x, we sub that into the equation. So now we have 16 minus x cubed is equal to 24. Now we're going to add x cubed to both sides. So 16 is x cubed, add 24, subtract 24, we get minus 8 is x cubed, which then leads us to cube rooting with x is minus 2. Okay, next up, f of x is 2 over x squared and g of x is 4x cubed. Part A, find f of minus 5. So this is going to be 2 over minus 5 squared. Now minus 5 squared is 25, so this is 2 over 25. Part B, find fg of 1. So fg of 1 means f of g of 1. So we're going to find g of 1 and then put that value into f. So g of 1 is just going to be 4 times 1. So g of 1 is 4. So then f of 4 is 2 over 4 squared, so 2 over 16, which simplifies to 1/8. Okay, next up, f of x is x add 1 squared, g of x is 2 lots of x minus 1. Show that g f of x is 2x times x add 2. So gf of x means g of f of x. So anywhere there is an x in g, it's going to become x add 1 squared. So we are going to get 2 lots of x add 1 squared minus 1. That then is 2 lots of x squared add 2x add 1 minus 1, which is the 1's cancel. So we got 2 lots x squared add 2x. Inside the bracket there is a common factor of x, so we can bring that out the front too. So we get 2x lots of x add 2. Part B then wants the value of g inverse of 7. So let g of x just be g. Now we know g is 2 lots of x minus 1, so that's 2x minus 2. Okay, now we need to make x the subject, so we're going to add 2 and then divide by 2, so we get g add 2 all over 2 is equal to x, which means inverse g is x add 2 over 2. So then g inverse of 7 is 9 over 2, which is 4.5. Okay, next up, f of x is 4 sine x. Find f of 23, giving our answer to 3 sig figs. So that's just going to be 4 sine 23, which to 3 sig figs is 1.56. Part B, g of x is 2x minus 3. Find fg of 34. So fg 34 means f of g of 34. Now g of 34 is 2 times 34, which is 68, minus 3. So that's 65. So now we want to find f of 65. So that's 4 sine 65 now that's going to give us 3.625 blah 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 3 sig figs, that is 3.63. Okay, then for part C, h of x is x add 4 squared. Ivan wants to solve the equation h of x is equal to 25. He writes this stuff. Now we're told his answer is not fully correct, and we want to explain why. So he's started off by putting in what h of x is and setting it equal to 25, so that's good. What he's then done is square rooted both sides, and on the right he's forgotten that when you square root you get 2 answers. So this second step should be that x add 4 is equal to positive or negative 5. So he's lost a solution because he didn't use x add 4 is equal to minus 5, which would then give him x is minus 9. Okay, then the final question. So here f of x is 3x minus 1 and g of x is x squared add 4. Part A, find inverse f. Okay, so f is 3x minus 1, add the 1, f add 1 is 3x, divide by 3, f add 1 over 3 is equal to x, and therefore inverse f is x add 1 over 3. Okay, then for part B, given that f g of x is equal to 2g f of x, show that 15x squared minus 12x minus 1 is equal to 0. Lovely. So we are going to need to find fg and gf. So let's do that. So fg of x, so we're putting the g function into the f function. So that's going to be 3 lots x squared add 4 minus 1. So that's 3x squared add 11. Okay. Now we want to find gf of x. So this time we're putting 3x minus 1 into g. So we're going to get 3x minus 1 squared add 4. Now make sure you can get the bracket to be 9x squared minus 6x plus 1, and then we got the plus 4 on the end. So that is 9x squared minus 6x add 5. Now we want 2gf. So 2gf is then going to be 18x squared minus 12x add 10. Okay. Now that we know both fg and 2gf, we can now form the equation. So, we now know 3x squared add 11 is equal to 18x squared minus 12x add 10. So we're going to subtract 3x squared, which is going to give us 15x squared, and subtract 11. So that's going to give us our minus 1, which then makes that stuff equal to 0. Boom. Guys, that's the end of this one. Really hope you found it useful. If you have, please do give us a thumbs up and get subscribed to the channel. Remember, I have a whole playlist of exam questions like this, which is linked down below. If you have any requests for topics you want covered like this, let me know down below in the comments. For now, take it easy, take care.